Welcome to the project Solar Operated Real-Time College Bell System. In this project we are going to use a solar panel which is using, we are going to use a battery for charging, and here we are going to have an inverter setup. So using this inverter setup, it gives the input to the supply unit to controller. The main specialty of the project is we are going to use a real-time college bell. We can see here the college bell which is interlinked with relay switch, which can be triggered according to the timings given by the user. So here we are going to have a user keypad. So we can see here user keypad. We can set two timings, the RTC real time clock set timing, also the bell timing. In this project we can have a bells for 200 times for ringing, and also 7 seconds are the delay time for making the switching the bell. So we can just check the output. So as soon as we on the kit, you can get the display message of welcome. You can see here, actually you can set even the date, time, and also the bell time, month, date, month, year, using the keypad. And now it asks for the time. Minutes and hours. So day of the week.
Day of the week nothing much. So Monday is a 1 till Sunday is 7. So now it's Thursday. So it's 0, 4. So day of the week time was set now, and it's showing the perfect time. Today is going to be the Thursday. Thursday 30 April 2015. 12:52 is the time. So now I need to set the bell timings. So to set the bell timings, we have the push button here. This is the time set button, and this is bell set one. So we can see that here. So once hold the button and on off on this microcontroller device. The time was stored in the DS1307 IC, and now the bell time will be stored in the EPROM. So we have the EPROM memory till we can store the 200 bells. So here it will ask for the enter number of bells. How many bells you want to store in this one? So let us go with the, I need 3 bells for exam timings or any internal timings. Usually college timing is going to be 7 bells. Now enter the 3 1. It will ask for the, so what's bell 1 hours? So 12:55. So bell 1 was 12:55, and bell 2 for 12:56. Place the time according to your wish only, any time. And 12:57. So to show the output in nearest timings, I place the 3 bells in the 3 consecutive minutes only. So now it's 53. So we need to wait for till 3.5 minutes. So when the time was reached, and we see that, so I set the time for 12:56, 7, and right. So now I'll off this one. So means nothing but when the battery got discharged or anything has happened, the microcontroller got switched off. But when I on this one, the controller itself remember the timings. Previously the stored timings were 12:56, 57, 58. So let us see that one. As usually, the RTC clock will be give the timing to the microcontroller, 12:54, and here we are using the efficient inverter. So the inverter consists of the 2 LED indicators. So one thing is the inverter is running on, green LED is glowing, and middle one is when the inverter is working, means when the mains is not there, it will switch off. So I am going to off this main. So you can see that I am switching off the main supply. So it indicating that the inverter got switched on, sorry, and but the circuit was working continuously without any interrupting the supply. So we are going to press the win again. So the main LED is on. And if anything goes fault occurred in this inverter, this light will be getting switched off. So 3 LEDs, there are 3 different indications one. And coming to this relay, as a main describe that is used for the switching on of the bell. And the battery is a 12V1M1, sufficient enough to run this bigger 1 feet diameter of bell to run continuously 4 hours. The solar panel. Right. So the time was 12:55. Yep. and 12:56. Sorry, we set the time for 12:55, 56, 57. Yeah.
We can also
Yeah.
display.
And also, yeah, here we have the one more LED is there under this keypad one. So according when the time was reached, this light also will be on. Means parallelly the relay will get switched on, the light will be get switched on. So if anything goes wrong in the relay, we can indicating that okay something is when the LED is on, if the relay is not on, so we can know that something is goes wrong with the relay one. So the two indications will be provided for this one. So we can see that when it reaches the 12:56 p.m. the second bell will get ring and the bell time is going to be 7 seconds of time. After 7 seconds of time, it will be 2 seconds of delay and it will go on the monitoring the timing again. See, so the third bell, before the third bell getting switched on, so I have the controller. But the microcontroller should remember that the coming is going to be the third bell one. We'll see that.
The system can also detect even the Sunday, as we are going to enter even date along with week. So weekends can also be monitored. Like Sunday, automatically it will detect and show you that today is a holiday. So the displaying of a day specialty for Sunday is also being shown in the project.
See, the microcontroller remembered the third bell also when it is switched off and on. So now we'll test with the Sunday. We previously set the bell timings are 12:55, 56, 57. Now I will set the time for Sunday. I am setting the time now. Sunday is going to be the 3rd May. Yeah, I'll set the time. We'll ask for the date as usually 03 and the month is the 5th month, May, and the year was 2015. Means I can enter the 2 digits only, and ours is going to be the same. We'll set for the real time clock for 12:54. Sorry, yeah. So if anything you enter wrong once, you need to reset the microcontroller again. Go from the initial setup one. See, I am setting the date 03 as I said, and May month, and 2015 as a 15 year. So same I am going to set for the 12:54 because previously we set for the 55, 56, 57 timings, right? 12:54 is the time now. Day of the week will be Sunday, nothing but 07, right? So it will display the Sunday and holiday will be displayed on the LCD. You can see that when the time was 12:55, it should ring the bell. So as usually, if you on, if you off, and on the motherboard also, the DS1307 will give the exact time because it has an inbuilt CMOS battery. We can see that it's inbuilt CMOS battery. When the CMOS battery discharged, so it will show the 00 times. So nothing but we need to change the battery. And after changing the battery, we can set the timings again, the RTC time. So when it reaches at 12:55, the bell will not run. And Sunday it's showing the holiday display. Wait for 10 more seconds. So after this one, we'll set the time for Monday. But bell timings are not going to change the bell timings. Bell timing is a fixed one. Means I'm going to change the RTC. Means indicating that, see, the bell was not rung. Right. So now I will set the time for Monday. Monday is going to be the 4th of May. Same 04 and May is a 05 and 2015 as a 15-1. And time was same 12:54 because my bell was 12:55. And day of the week Monday, nothing but 01. So I entered 0 0 wrongly. So if you entered wrong,